Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Happy New Year. It is January 1st. Going to be doing a whole series on seed starting indoors, and the first thing that I plant or get started here in Maryland Zone 7 are onions and leeks, and I will show you how to plant those up. They're planted up the same way. Now I can't really get plants out into the ground until March. I just did a video that I will link below that talks about when do you start different plants indoors, and you can check that out. So onions and leeks are something I can grow inside 8 to 12 weeks, get them out into the garden in March, and they will take off. Couple of things you need to know. First thing, onions. There are three types of onions. There are short day onions, intermediate day or day neutral onions, and long day onions. This has nothing to do with zone. It's really based on the amount of light. So short day onions, generally speaking, are more south in the US. You can look up online onion zones and it will tell you what you will grow. It's based on the length of daylight in your area when the soil temperatures are the right temperatures. I'll talk about that in a second too. So anyway, short day onions need 10 to 12 hours of daylight to bulb up. Intermediate onions or day neutral onions need 12 to 14 hours, and long day onions need 14 to 16 hours. And in the United States, the south tends to be short day, the middle of the US tends to be intermediate day or day neutral onions, and the north seems to be long day onions. So it does matter. So when you're buying a seed variety, you want to match it to your onion zone. A little confusing, but if you get online, you'll be able to research your area and figure out what you need to use. So next thing I look at is the back of the packet. These onions take anywhere from 115 to 120 days, which is perfect. That means January, February, some of March, I'll get 8 to 10 weeks of growth in here, and then these will go outside into my garden and they will finish out in the garden. So we'll do the onions that are about, say, 120 days, and then leeks. You don't have to worry about the day length for leeks, but you do have to check out how long they take. These are American flags. They take 130 days, and these are King Richard. They take 75 days. It's too early to start these indoors here because they're going to be growing 60 days in the setup that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start the leeks that take 130 days, the American flag. So you want to make sure, as I'm getting the 8 weeks, 10 weeks indoors, that they will have plenty of time to grow and develop outdoors. I hope that makes sense. So what I like to do is grow my onions and leeks in containers just like this. I just scatter the seeds in there. They can germinate right next to each other. They're almost indestructible. They're going to get taller. We pull them apart. We put them out in the ground. These are called onion transplants or onion bunches. If you've ever seen the little bulbs of onions, they're, you know, the little round circles, those are called onion sets. And I don't like those because onions are also biennials. So the first year, onions will grow a nice bulb for you that we harvest and we eat. Second year, they don't form an onion, they actually flower and produce seed. When you buy those little sets with the round onions, they are small, they do germinate, they do grow, but they think they're second year onions. So you get a lot of flowers and less onions that way. So let's grow them this way. We're growing onion transplants, leek transplants, or onion bunches. Bunches and transplants are used the same way with onions. So I like using these little foil trays. I was using my bigger flats. That was just too much. So one variety will go into each of these trays. You want one tray to have holes in it, and put the holes in just like this. This way, if your shelf tilts, there's always a drainage hole. If it's perfectly flat, you don't have to worry about it. But sometimes, you know, the shelves or the floors lean this way or that way, and you have a drainage hole for the water to pour out. Then you're going to put your soil into here. I'm sorry, wrong way. You're going to put your soil into the tray with the drainage holes. The other reason being is that you can take this tray outside. When it rains on them, the water will drain out. One of the biggest problems for growing transplants outdoors is they actually drown, they get root rot. So we put a solid tray in the bottom, our filled tray like this, and you end up just like that. And I actually, looking real quick, you might catch it, I did it backwards. So I will fix that. The soil goes in where the drainage holes are. I'm glad I caught that or I would have made a mess. So we'll just fix this one up. Put in your starting mix. You want it to be sterilized. I recommend that. You can find that in my videos. I use boiling water. And then you just press the starting mix down. And again, this tray is the tray that has holes in it. And it will sit in this tray that does not have holes. Nice and firm so that the seeds don't fall to the bottom. And all I'm doing is heavily overseeding the whole surface. Look at all these seeds. They're all going to go right in here, and I'm just sprinkling them across the whole surface. I'm telling you, the root systems of onions and leeks are really tough. They're almost like wire, and you can just pull these apart. If you want to subscribe and follow me, I'll show you how I take care of these indoors for 8 to 10 weeks. Fertilize them. I'll trim the tops down before I put them in the ground outside. And I will try and get this in camera, but you can trust that that whole, I'll tilt it a little bit. It's going to be hard to see, but the seeds are really just next to each other. And then I'm going to just mix them down about 1/2 inch. Onions germinate really well. And then you press it down. Make sure that the seeds are a little bit buried, have good contact. And you do want them covered, so you just grab another handful or two. And that's how I set up my onions. Then the tray with the holes in it goes in the tray that doesn't have holes, and I lightly water this in so that I know the seeds are moist, and then I let them go. They're going to go right under the grow lights. Let me set this up for the leeks too. So the leeks, we're going to do the same exact thing. These are the American flags. These take, I think it's at about 130 days or something like that. So you don't have to start in January in your zone. I just know that I can start January, February, gives me 8 weeks for my onions and leeks. Then I can go about 2 weeks into March and then get them into the ground. Lots of leek seeds. They look just like onion seeds. And I'm telling you, this is plenty of onions and leeks. There are hundreds of onions and leeks mixed in here, all in this little space. This is why I like starting them indoors. The only cost really are these seed trays that I got at well, actually they're foil trays that I got at Costco. For baking, I'm using them as seed trays. Mix it in. Press them in. And that's set up. And again, I would water it in just so that I know that the seeds get nice and soaked. Don't oversaturate it. Keep an eye on it. You know, check out my videos that I just did over the last 2 weeks. When this gets to a light brown, that's when we're going to water again. So I've already done videos to show you how to set up the soil, when to water. Follow me, we'll talk about fertilizing and taking care of these. Alright, let me show you how I put them under the lights. Now for watering, I always recommend water from the bottom. Onions and leeks, actually, you could just water the top here. If you were to put too much water in there for some reason, you could lift it out, see how much water drips out into the tray, and take care of it. But they do pretty good even when you accidentally overwater them. But to stick with bottom watering, I would just put in, you know, maybe that's 1/4 inch or so of water. When you put this on, don't push it down. The water will kind of squirt out everywhere. Just let it float on there. And the water will slowly seep in through the holes. That will saturate your seed starting mix. They both get labeled leeks, January 1st, American flag, 130 days. Couple inches under the lights, that's fine. These are 5,000 lumen lights. They'll take care of these seed starts. And right in there we got the, the Spanish yellow Utah variety, 120 days, January 1st. And they will just sit like that. My lights will be on a timer. They're going to be on for at least 12 hours, 14 hours. Take care of the seed starts. This is a great way to grow probably, 500 to 1,000 onion transplants and leek transplants. Save yourself a lot of money. The cost, $2 for each pack. That was $4. These trays at Costco in bulk were 70 cents each. $1.40, $1.40. Can reuse them, and then the cost of the seed starting mix. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I will go through the entire seed starting process here in Maryland Zone 7, and you can just adapt it to fit your gardening zone. Thanks for watching, and again, please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.